Hey everybody, welcome back. This time we're going to learn how to create a custom sidebar for a specific page. In this sample we'll use sample page 1, and I want to create a sidebar specifically for this page. So how do I do that? Well, I have a plugin that's called Simple Sidebars, and in order to add this up, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New. In the search field, you're going to type in Simple Sidebars and then search plugins. On the very top of the list, you see Genesis Simple Sidebars. I want you to click Install, which I already have it installed, but when you click Install, it's going to ask you to set it up by inserting an ASCII. You're going to click that, you're going to enter your email, and they're going to pretty much send you a key. What that key does, it stops a whole lot of spam from getting to your site. I've used it for a long time, and it works wonders stopping spam. So go ahead and complete that. Install Genesis Simple Sidebars. Once you've installed it, you hover over the little G here, and you get Simple Sidebars. Click on it, and then this pops up. On the right hand side, you see current sidebars. These are the default sidebars that automatically come with the installation. On the left hand side, this is where you create this actual sidebar. So if we want to do sample page 1, I'm going to name it sample page 1 to keep it simple. And then in the ID, just again simple SP1. You can add a description if you'd like. Add new sidebar, and then it pops over here what you named it and then the ID. Okay, this creates a widget area. So you go into your widgets, and on the right hand side you'll see the three ones that came automatically installed, and then the custom one you just created, sample page 1. I put in some random text. I drug it in from over here and I put in there text, random text header, and I put some content in there. Now this is meant for sample page 1. So how do I put it in sample page 1? I created the widget area, but now I've got to put it on the page. So easy enough, I go to the pages, go to sample page 1, and on the right hand side, from the drop down list, click sample page 1, and then update it. And then once I refresh the browser, there's that one sidebar for sample page 1, because I chose it right here, sample sidebar. There's sidebar selection, sample page 1 from the drop down. Refresh it and it puts it in here. Now everything else stays just the same. You created a custom sidebar widget area just for this one page. And you could of course put anything in that widget area that you want. So what if I wanted to show the same random text header sidebar I've created for sample page 1? What if I want that to show on all three, sample page 2 and sample page 3 as well? Same process. You go to all pages, and we'll change sample page 2, scroll down, sample page 1, update that one, and then again we'll go to page 3 now, and this will be our third page. Choose that same custom sidebar we've created, click update, and then if you notice, there's the sidebar we created for page 1, and we moved it to page 2 and page 3 as well. Well, let's say we decide to change our mind. We want sample page 2 to have its own. Well, again, we're going to go to simple sidebars and sample page 2, and then the ID will do sample page 2. Add it, it'll pop in over here, there we go, and it creates the widget area again, sample page 2 now, and you can do this as many times as you want. Sample page 2, you know we're going to include a calendar. We just drag it over and whatever we want here for that page, and then we want to apply this widget to sample page 2. So we go to page 2, edit page 2. On the right hand side, now we get sample page 2. You click it, update it, and go to sample page 2, and there's the sample page 2's custom sidebar for that side. So now you can just keep on doing this as many times as you want. Put any sidebar anywhere you want, and it works out great. So I hope you find that helpful, and I'll put the name of that plugin right below this video. So I hope you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.